What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is overview before assembly. I'm not gonna show it to you, I just explain what's happening because you saw probably a lot of my fingers in the previous part 1. So what I did, I cut a little bit more plastic under. It's still very sturdy to lower the decoder position, and I flip it. So wires, most of them were from this side, so I just put it on that side. 2 zip ties, I strongly recommend to use them. They make your installation much cleaner and nice, like these. They are smaller one, but those are just perfect. So my point is, there are 2 like pins going from the top to here, and those screws right now, when I'm going to put together, I need to unscrew them, put the top and screw everything together. So that's how it's working. The white stuff is on top of the, I'm sometimes putting too much maybe, but Loctite skin and seal, very strong adhesive. Be careful with this. But it's plastic to metal, and like different plastic with different plastic too. And the white thing, it's not cured yet. Dry out. When it will be dry out, it will be transparent, clear, micro crystal clear, as you know, my favorite for speakers and all that stuff, just in case. Well, I'll see you on a test video. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, there is join membership button under every single video. Have a good one. Bye bye.